The man bumps into the guard on purpose, steals the battery from his belt. Then the guard brings food. Carl stuffs the meal into a sock, soaks it in water. Salt from the food dissolves in the water. Carl squeezes the salt water out of the sock, puts the battery in the salt water. Uses electric current to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. To collect more hydrogen, Carl tears pages from books, soaks them in water. Then they use the wet paper to seal the windows and vents. Carl removes the light cover, pulls the wires apart, ties a string to one wire. Now hydrogen fills the entire room. They quickly stuff cotton in their ears, hide under the bed, wrap themselves in blankets. Carl pulls the string. The two wires touch, create sparks, ignites the hydrogen. The prison door blows open instantly. They run immediately. Guards hear the explosion, rush over. All doors are now sealed shut. They hide in blind spots, ambush isolated guards and take their keys. Open doors. Sneak into the unguarded laundry room. Carl takes apart shelving. They reassemble it into a makeshift ladder. Plan to climb out the window to escape. But steel bars block their way. Carl grabs a nearby fire extinguisher, sprays it into a plastic bucket, collects the carbon dioxide inside, then pours lots of alcohol into the bucket, mixes it well. The super coolant is ready. Carl spreads the coolant evenly on the steel bars. As temperature drops rapidly, the steel bars become very brittle. Carl gently pries with a broom. The bars snap instantly. Quickly clears the bars from the window, breaks the glass. They quickly climb out the window. Carl helps the man escape successfully. But the man doesn't want to pay Carl for the escape help. Whistles for his men. The man's crew quickly knocks Carl unconscious. He's locked in the car trunk. Carl takes apart the car's taillight wires, controls the taillights, keeps tapping Morse code, sends out distress signals. His team sees Carl's signals through surveillance systems, immediately goes to rescue him. Meanwhile, the man's crew forces nitrogen gas into Carl's nose and mouth. Want to suffocate him. Suddenly gunshots outside. His team has arrived. Carl takes advantage of their distraction. Quickly kicks over the nitrogen tank. Nitrogen sprays out instantly. The gas's reaction force spins the tank at high speed. Flies everywhere. All the man's crew get knocked unconscious by the flying tank. Carl successfully escapes.